Standard 6 Subject Science Lesson number 15 Fun with Magnets. Can you tell? Pins in a pin holder do not fall even when it is held upside down. Why is this so? Because there is a magnet inside the pin holder. Therefore, the pins do not fall down. While we are shutting the door of a fridge, we find that it closes automatically from a certain distance and does not open unless pulled again. Why is this so? As the fridge door has a magnet inside. Therefore, the door of a fridge closes automatically. The iron door remains tightly shut as a magnet holds it with force. A magnet is used in this gadget. A magnet is fitted in a cap of a pin holder and in the door of a fridge. Iron objects stick to a magnet. What is a magnet? The material to which object made from iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. get attracted is called a magnet. This property of a material is called magnetism. Let's try an activity. Take a magnet from a laboratory and bring it near various objects in your use. Which of them stick to the magnet? What material is each of them made up of? Observe these things carefully and classify the object into two groups. Those which stick to the magnet and those which do not. So, all the substances do not stick to the magnets. Some get attracted and remain firmly attached to it. Some do not. Usually, those which stick to the magnet are metallic materials. Take a mixture of sand, pieces of paper, sawdust, iron fillings and pins in a saucer and pass a magnet around the mixture. What do you see? Sand, pieces of paper, sawdust do not stick to the magnet. Iron fillings and pins get attached to the magnet. Come out of the mixture in the saucer. Materials has been divided into two types, that is magnetic and non-magnetic. Magnetic materials. The materials that are attracted to a magnet are called as a magnetic materials. And the materials that are not attracted toward a magnets are called as non-magnetic materials. Iron, steel, nickel, cobalt are magnetic material, while wood, stainless steel, glass, cloth, rubber, etc. are non-magnetic materials. In the past, there is a legend about the discovery of magnets. It is said that a shepherd named Magnus lived in Greece. Once while his sheep were grazing, he sat down on a big rock. But what a surprise he got when he tried to get up. His stuff and his shoes were stuck to the rock. He had to use great force to pull himself away from the rock. And then he realized that what had happened was because of the iron frill on his stuff and the iron nail in his shoes. However, other rocks did not stick to his shoes or stuff. Later he showed the rocks to everybody. And then the rock was named magnetite after Magnus, the shepherd. Magnetite is a natural magnet. It is also possible that the name magnet came from Magnesia, the part of Greece where magnets were discovered. How is marinary compost used? It was known quite long ago to the people in China and Europe that a piece of magnetite hung freely always settled in north-south direction. These rocks then come to be used for finding the direction while traveling through unknown regions. That is why they are also called as lodestone, that is leading stones. This led to the invention of mariner's compass. Magnet can have a variety of shapes depending upon their uses. Today, magnets are used in various machines and gadgets or devices. They are all man-made magnets. Bar magnets, disc magnets, horseshoe magnets, ring-shaped magnets, cylindrical magnet, as also small buttons magnets are the different shapes of magnets in everyday use. So, in our next video, we are going to study about magnetism and characteristics of magnet. Thank you.